Hello and welcome to Sataro Ka Safar. I'm your astrologer N Baksh, and today we're here with some exciting news about a major shift in planetary positions that could bring significant relief and positivity to your life. Mars, which has been in a debilitating position in Cancer since October 2024, caused challenges for many, especially in matters of finances, decision making, and emotional stability. But now, Mars is moving into Gemini, opening up opportunities and creating a golden period for the next 72 days. In today's video, we'll discuss Mars in detail, its positive and negative effects, and how this transition can bring long awaited success and financial improvements in your life. So stay tuned and let's dive in. Mars, often referred to as the planet of action, courage, and determination, has several positive qualities that can significantly impact your life when placed well in your birth chart. Mars fills individuals with fearlessness and the ability to take risks. It gives you the strength to face challenges head on without hesitation. A strong Mars ensures swift yet calculated decision making, which is especially beneficial in high pressure situations. People with a strong Mars often excel in fields like the military, navy, air force, police, and emergency services. Mars rules professions requiring physical strength, discipline, and leadership. It governs physical activity and competition, making athletes, sportspersons, and martial artists shine. Surgeons and doctors can harness Mars's precision and courage, leading to success in medical fields requiring bold and quick decisions. Mars has the power to provide unexpected wealth, whether through inheritance, real estate, or successful ventures. Mars brings out the inner adventurer, encouraging travel, exploration, and new experiences. It empowers you to become a natural leader with the ability to inspire and guide others. When Mars is weak, malefic, or placed in a challenging position, such as its debilitation in Cancer, it can lead to several negative effects. Weak Mars may lead to unexpected financial setbacks and impulsive expenditures, destabilizing your financial plans. Instead of making you bold, a malefic Mars can make you overly cautious or fearful, impacting your ability to take action. Mars influences health issues related to blood and inflammation, such as high blood pressure, piles, or other rectal issues. Accidents or injuries due to rash behavior are also possible. Weak Mars can make you rash and impulsive, leading to poor decision making and regrets. It can cause uncontrolled anger, frustration, and irritability, straining relationships and creating unnecessary conflicts. Jealousy, possessiveness, and harsh communication, traits of a troubled Mars. This may harm relationships with family, friends, or partners. A weak Mars increases fears or mishaps related to fire, electricity, or sharp objects, requiring extra caution. If Mars isn't supportive, individuals may find it challenging to establish themselves in leadership or demanding professions. For Libra natives, when Mars was transiting through your 10th house in Cancer, this period focused a lot on your career and professional life. The energy of Mars in your 10th house often stirs ambition, a desire for public recognition, and a need to move forward in your career. However, with retrograde motion, there might have been slow progress or revisiting issues at work that you had not fully addressed. Perhaps professional goals required reevaluation, career strategies need refining, or there were delays or frustrations regarding your status in the public eye. You may have faced misunderstandings or resistance to your leadership initiatives, possibly needing to refine your approach in order to move forward. Now that Mars is transitioning into your ninth house of luck, higher learning, and travel, this shift redirects your focus. The retrograde motion means you're being asked to reevaluate areas of higher education, philosophy, and long distance travel. It's a time when you might feel uncertain about long term goals or feel a deep urge to revisit old beliefs, explore spirituality, or gain deeper knowledge. This period calls for you to reflect on your life's philosophy and worldview, pushing you to reconsider old beliefs and plans involving higher studies, spiritual pursuits, or travel. With Mars in your ninth house of higher learning and beliefs, retrograde will prompt you to dig deeper into subjects of interest or examine your philosophical outlook on life. It might be a good period to reconsider what kind of studies or spiritual practices you'd like to pursue. There may be revisits or slow advances in certain studies or courses you had started before but didn't finish. Now is a great time for reflection or re engagement with your passion for knowledge. Mars retrograde in the ninth house invites you to rethink travel plans, both short and long term. You may find yourself going over old travel dreams or revisiting unfinished trips that were on your list. Now could be a time to refine your ideas about travel and understand why you wish to embark on certain journeys, perhaps with a more reflective or spiritual purpose than before. Spirituality and philosophical pursuits take center stage now, as the retrograde energy offers the opportunity to go back and study old belief systems. This period may help in revisiting your religious or spiritual convictions and understanding how they align with where you are in life today. Mars will urge you to define what path truly resonates with your inner truth and reflect on those deeper meanings. Mars is known for energy and drive, but retrograde forces you to act slower than usual. This is beneficial in terms of deeper reflection and reconsidering what knowledge you actually want to absorb. It's a good time to revisit any academic or philosophical pursuits that you may have abandoned in the past or refine old theories. If you wanted to dive into diverse cultures or practices that expand your worldview, Mars retrograde in the ninth house is perfect for activities that help you explore different worldviews or metaphysical ideas. It's a period that can spark a deeper understanding of different religions, world philosophies, or the exploration of unknown realms. Here are some remedies and advices for you. Reflect on what you've already learned or explore subjects you once felt passionately about but lost interest in. Re engage with academic endeavors or spiritual studies that you had abandoned earlier. It's a great time to pick up older books or re examine coursework that sparked your intellectual curiosity previously. Mars in the ninth house encourages revisiting past travel plans, so it might be beneficial to reflect on earlier journeys. If some trips didn't turn out as planned, reconsider why and assess your desires for future travel. Use this time to reflect on the purpose and meaning of any trips and make strategic plans for exploring the world, whether it's literally or metaphorically. Take this time to reconnect with spiritual mentors or practices that help you grow. Mars retrograde brings wisdom through reassessment. Reflect on how you connect spiritually and explore whether reconnecting with spiritual communities or instructors will help deepen your learning process. This is a time to reflect, not to battle. If old ideological conflicts arise, reconsider whether they're worth pursuing. Respect personal space in both public and private, avoiding rash opinions or arguments related to belief systems or higher learning. Look inward, evaluating your beliefs about life, purpose, and meaning. Do certain ideas still resonate with your soul? Acknowledge what you can change or improve, giving you a stronger foundation in your philosophical viewpoint. As Mars retrogrades from your 10th house of career into your ninth house of higher learning, philosophy, and travel. This is a period that brings attention to life's deeper meanings. Expect slower movement in professional matters, but with a powerful invitation to reawaken your passion for knowledge, personal growth, and your spiritual journey. Now is the time to refine your understanding of your place in the world. If you're feeling uncertain about how these energies play out in your life, book a session with us via WhatsApp for personalized insights. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sitara Ka Safar. Until next time, keep exploring and expanding your horizons.